Hi, I'm Tammy. Today I'm going to make a creamy chocolate raspberry cocktail for Valentine's Day. So for this drink, we're going to use Chambord, we're going to use some vanilla, vodka, and we're going to use some Godiva chocolate. So it's going to be really delicious and really creamy. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our vanilla vodka. We are going to use 1.5 ounces of vanilla vodka. We're going to get some Godiva chocolate liqueur. We're going to use 1 ounce of that. It's really super yummy. And then we're going to get some Chambord. And Chambord, I haven't used it before. It's a really nice raspberry liqueur. It's delicious. We're going to use 1 ounce of that. Then we're going to put in 1 ounce of half and half in as well. So it can get nice and creamy. All right. Put our lid on the shaker. And get this nice and shaken up. Shaken up. Shaken, whatever. Someday, somebody will tell me what the true word is. We're going to shake this for 15 seconds or so. All right. And it is good. Now I'm going to get my martini glass. I did take a little bit of simple syrup. I put it on a plate and then I dipped my glass in it, and then I went ahead and I used a little bit of sugar around that as well. And I'm going to double strain this. All right. Okay. It is ready for the taste test, and I'm really excited. I love anything that has the Godiva chocolate liqueur in it. Oh, super delicious. It's so good. Okay, so you can definitely taste the Chambord in this. It gives that raspberry nice tone, and then the chocolate comes through. This is so good. You should have this as an after dinner drink with your sweetheart on Valentine's Day and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Cheers.